Kukutuntun, the ancestral jurisdiction. Uben Shang, the ancestral summons. Afuraitkaitnit, the origin of the term Africa. Maranechi, divine law, love, and divine hate. The Okra complex, the soul of Akhan. Anum, 5, the first 5 NHOMA books of our Amaniye Adesuya, our Afurakani Afuraitkaitnit, African ancestral religion, culture, and nation-building restoration curriculum. The NHOMA Anum, the first 5 books, are foundational for the understanding of the information contained in our additional books and publications. Kukutuntun, the ancestral jurisdiction, establishes the cosmological foundation of creation, the nature of the Great Mother and Great Father, the Supreme Being, Amenet and Amen, the Ntorotu, the deities, the Akutu, the spiritually cultivated ancestresses and ancestors, and their relationship to us as Afurakani Afuraitkaitnit people, African people, black people, and their and our disassociation from the spirits of disorder, the whites and their offspring. We also prove that Jesus, Yeshua ben Pandera, Abraham, Isaac, Ishmael, Moses, Aaron, David, Solomon, Sheba, Menelik, Muhammad, Allah, Yahweh, Buddha, Brahman, and others are all absolutely fictional characters who never existed of any race or in any form whatsoever. Uben Shang, the ancestral summons, illuminates the nature and functionality of our ritual practices, inclusive of libation, ancestral and deity possession and communication, shrines, ritual song, ritual dance, ritual prayer, idols, nature worship, talismans, amulets, divination, and more. Afuraitkait, the origin of the term Africa, proves conclusively that the term Africa is a corruption of the ancient term Afuraka, which we show in the Medutu, the hieroglyphs of ancient Khanit and Kemet, Nubia and Egypt, and in the living languages and cultures of Afuraitkait, prior to the existence of the whites and their offspring upon earth. Maranechi, divine law, love, and divine hate, demonstrates that Nyame Nsheshe, divine order, is composed of 2 complementary poles: divine law or love and divine hate, Ma'a and Ma'at, the male and female Aboson, deities whom govern divine law, love, for law and love is the same word and concept in Afuraitkait. Herubedeti and Sekhmet govern divine hate. Law and hate are the expansive and contractive poles of divine order. Law, love is divine. Hate is divine. Revolution and resolution are the 2 poles of Nyansa, divine wisdom, governed by the male and female Aboson, deities, Tehuti and Seshat, supported and undergirded by divine order. The Okra complex, the soul of Akhan, establishes the nature of the soul, the divine consciousness, the Oboson, the deity, which is assigned to dwell within each and every Afurakani Afuraitkaitnit individual, and only Afurakani Afuraitkaitnit individuals, pre-incarnation. This divinity, this Oboson, assigned to us by Amenet and Amen, the Great Mother and Great Father Supreme Being, dwells in our head region and consistently guides us towards thoughts, intentions, and actions that are in harmony with divine order. Spirituality, Afurakani, Afuraitkaitnit ancestral religion, is the ritual incorporation of divine law and the ritual restoration of divine balance. It is the means by which we may align ourselves and realign ourselves with the pull of the Okra, the Ka, Kaet, the deity dwelling within us, under the guidance and direction of Amenet and Amen, Nyamewa and Nyame, the Great Mother and Great Father Supreme Being, every moment of every day throughout the course of our lives. These NHOMA ANUM, these 5 books, open our people to the reality of who we are, lay the foundation for what our function in the world is, the capacities we have to execute that function, and the potencies we possess to eradicate our enemies.